How can I create my own lookup tables for custom profile fields? A lookup table in the context of LISTSERV Maestro is essentially a list of predefined values that you can associate with a profile field. Subscribers can then choose one or multiple values in a pull-down menu or in the form of radio buttons or checkboxes when they subscribe to a list and define their subscriber profiles. To view all of your current lookup tables, click on Lookup Tables in the main menu. You will notice that we already have 4 of them, which were automatically created when we imported the list of subscribers from an Excel sheet for the School of Business list in the very first tutorial. When we created the School of Engineering list without any existing subscribers, we added a profile field for engineering major that subscribers can fill out. However, we created this field as a simple text field, which is not ideal if you want to create accurate target groups based on this profile field, because by its nature, a text field relies on free-form input by subscribers, so it's difficult to ensure consistency in the data. For example, an electrical engineering major might enter electrical engineering or just electrical. Other subscribers might use abbreviations or accidentally misspell a word. If you have a profile field with a finite number of options to choose from, a lookup table is by far the more superior option. To create a lookup table for the engineering major field, right-click on Lookup Tables and select New Lookup Table. Enter the name for the lookup table, followed by OK. First, enter a value for the blank option. This will be the first option in the pull-down menu, so we can simply enter Please Select or Not Selected. Now, right-click on Engineering Major and select Add New Entry. Enter the name of your first entry, followed by OK. Then repeat this process for each entry. To save time, especially if you have a lot of entries, you can create a simple text document with 1 entry per line and import the entire list. To do this, right-click on Engineering Major and select Import Entries. Then select your text file and click Import. You now have a lookup table containing all of the engineering majors from your text document. To use this lookup table for our newly created list, right-click on School of Engineering and choose Open List Definition. Then change the type of the engineering major field from a text field to a single select field. Since the field only allows a single selection, we can offer the selection either as a pull-down menu or as a group of radio buttons. Then click on Selection Field Sources and choose the newly created lookup table, followed by Finish. Now the profile field will use a pull-down menu with an accurate and complete list of all engineering majors, which makes it easier to precisely target your subscribers when you want to send messages to students with a specific major. Thank you for watching.